In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Marubozu Black Bearish quick and easy guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find and add this candlestick pattern indicator inside Tradingview and how to get the most out of it once it's on your chart. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or any other market you like. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frames and other chart tools. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search through everything available on Tradingview. Inside that search box at the top, type the word black. Typing this narrows down the list so you don't have to scroll through a ton of options. Tradingview will instantly filter the indicators to show anything related to that keyword. Be sure you're spelling it correctly and that you're in the Indicators tab, not Strategies or other sections, so that the right items appear. From the filtered list, look for the indicator called Marubozu Black Bearish. When you see it, move your cursor over that line and click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added directly to your current chart. You don't need to drag or drop anything. Tradingview takes care of it automatically. Give the chart a second to update, and you should start seeing the Marubozu Black Bearish pattern highlighted whenever it appears in your price action. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can hover over the indicator name at the top of your chart and open the settings. From there, you can change colors, line styles, or visibility options to match your personal layout and make it easier to spot during live trading or backtesting. If you're planning to use this indicator regularly, consider upgrading your Tradingview plan so you can run more indicators at once, save multiple layouts, and get access to additional tools. I have an affiliate link in the video description that you can use for Tradingview Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep making quick, focused guides like this. That's all it takes to add the Marubozu Black Bearish indicator in Tradingview. Follow these steps, customize it to your style, and you're ready to integrate it into your trading workflow.